If you want to start a YouTube channel that can grow fast and generate passive income without any upfront investment, this video is made just for you. I'm going to show you one of the best and most unique niches that even complete beginners can dive into. Today, we'll take a look at a successful example, the Calm Scientist. In just 3 months, this channel uploaded 126 videos and gained nearly 60,000 subscribers. Its most popular videos have over 200,000 views, which clearly shows it's on the right track. So what's the secret behind this rapid growth? There are a few key factors. First, the high upload frequency. This channel posts videos almost every day, and just yesterday, it uploaded 9 videos in a single day. Second, the long video lengths, which significantly boost watch time and as a result, increase revenue. Now the big question, how can we build a similar successful channel? In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the entire process, from finding the right title to writing the script and finishing with a final edit. Make sure to watch until the end because I've packed in tons of tips and techniques that will help you accelerate your channel's growth. All the prompts I use in this tutorial are included in a doc file linked in the description, so you can use them easily for your own channel. But before we dive into the tutorial, let's first check out a sample of the kind of video we're gonna create. Then we'll get started.
In the far reaches of the galaxy, where the quiet fabric of space is stretched thin across the unseen boundaries of cosmic time, there are regions so distant and so dim that even our most patient telescopes must gather their light like whispers collected in cupped hands, waiting for meaning to form in the soft stillness of the universe. It is in one of these
Finding the title. The first step is to come up with titles that your audience can't scroll past. Titles that make them feel like they have to click. That means you need ideas that are genuinely compelling. You can get inspiration from news websites in relevant fields like NASA, trending topics, or even by analyzing competitor channels. But I've made this process way easier for you. Just open the doc file, copy the title prompt section, and paste it into ChatGPT. The moment you hit enter, GPT will give you 10 video ideas right away. If none of them feel right, you can simply request more ideas. This way you can access thousands of potential topics. I also recommend checking Google Trends to find trending titles, so you can make sure your chosen topic is riding a growth wave. Now that we've got our ideas, let's move on to the next step. Writing the script. Once you've got your title, the next step is writing the script, which is the most important part of this niche. Your script shouldn't be overly dramatic or full of big twists. On the contrary, it should be calm and easy to listen to. Perfect for someone relaxing or winding down before bed. Keep that in mind as you write. To create your script, just open the doc file, copy the script prompt section, and paste it into GPT. At the beginning of the prompt, there's a designated space where you enter your chosen title or topic. For example, I picked idea number 7, pasted it in that section, and hit enter. Immediately, GPT starts generating the script. I now have a full, detailed script with sources listed at the end of each section so you can check the accuracy of the information. Since we're aiming for long videos, we need long, detailed scripts. To continue writing beyond the initial limit, just type next part and GPT picks up right where it left off. This method makes it easy to create scripts for videos that are hours long, fully structured, and ready to go. Creating the voiceover. Now that our script is ready, it's time to create the voiceover. My recommendation is to read the script yourself, as it's always the best option. But if for any reason you can't or don't want to, you can use AI to generate the voice. To do this, go to Google and search for 11 Labs, open the official link, and log in with your Google account. Then click on Text to Speech to start creating your audio. Next, go back to GPT and copy a portion of your script. To keep the video from being too long, I usually just copy a segment and paste it into 11 Labs. In the voice section, you can choose a voice that fits your video style. Avoid voices that are too high energy. Pick one that matches the calm narrative tone of your content. Personally, I go with Callum. Then click Generate, and the AI will start producing your audio. You'll see it generate in 2 versions. Listen to both and download whichever one you like best. Creating the images. When it comes to visuals, there are plenty of free resources where you can download photos and even short videos. But if you want your content to stand out and look unique, you can create your own images. To do this, go to your doc file, copy the image prompt section, and paste it into GPT, then hit enter. GPT will immediately generate instructions for creating images in 2 different versions, and you can choose whichever one you like. For each part of your script, GPT typically provides 20 image prompts, but you can request more if you want. If you only need prompts for a specific section, simply copy that part of the text. For example, I took a segment of the script I had used for the voiceover and asked GPT to generate 15 image prompts for that section. After hitting enter, GPT instantly started creating the instructions. Once your prompts are ready, head over to Leonardo AI. Search for it on Google and open the site. As you can see, we've already created a few images that look absolutely stunning. Now, just copy one of the prompts, set the size to YouTube, choose the Lucid Origin model, and hit generate. In just a few minutes, the images are ready, looking so realistic, it's like they were taken straight from the Hubble telescope. With this method, you can create professional, breathtaking visuals for every part of your script. Creating the video. This step is completely optional. You can either create your YouTube video using just images or combine images with Galaxy-style video clips, which in my opinion looks even more captivating. To generate the video instructions, go to your doc file, copy the video prompt section, and paste it into GPT. Hit enter, and GPT will immediately create the video prompts for the section you want. Next, to actually create the video, search for Dreamina on Google and open the official link. Click Create, set the model to AI video, and upload your image. Then paste the video prompt you got from GPT into Dreamina and hit generate. After a few moments, your video will be ready, and it really looks like a professional documentary scene. Using this method, you can easily turn your images into videos and produce stunning, professional quality outputs. Editing. Now we've reached the final stage. Before diving into editing, let's create a thumbnail for our video. To do this, open your doc file, copy the thumbnail prompt, paste it into GPT, and hit enter. GPT will instantly generate a professional thumbnail prompt for you. Copy that prompt, paste it into Leonardo AI, and click generate. As you can see, it produces stunning eye-catching images. Just add your desired text on top and your thumbnail is ready. Now it's time to edit. I use the desktop version of CapCut because it's simple and user-friendly. Start by clicking Create Project and importing all your videos, images, and audio files. Place your audio on the timeline first. Then add your videos. They don't need to be perfectly synced with the audio. This step is mostly up to your preference. Next, we add transitions. I use the mix transition and apply it to all clips. To make the video more visually appealing, I add an overlay and duplicate it several times so it covers the entire video. Then, in the basic settings, I set the mode to screen for proper visibility. After that, it's time to add background music. Head over to Pixabay, search for a relevant term, listen to different tracks, and download the one that fits your video best. Import it into CapCut, trim any extra at the end, and lower the volume slightly so it doesn't interfere with your main audio. And that's it. Your documentary-style video is now ready, and you can export it in the highest quality. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you liked the video, please show some love with a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon with a brand new video and a fresh niche.
In the far reaches of the galaxy, where the quiet fabric of space is stretched thin across the unseen boundaries of cosmic time, there are regions so distant and so dim that even our most patient telescopes must gather their light like whispers collected in cupped hands, waiting for meaning to form in the soft stillness of the universe. It is in one of these remote corridors of the Milky Way, tucked behind veils of interstellar dust and folded into the gentle curvature of the outer spiral arms, that a faint and reluctant signal began its journey toward us, not with the forceful proclamation of a supernova or the abrupt flare of a rogue comet, but with the tender subtlety of a pulse wrapped in silence, emerging from the fractured crust of a magnetar, rotating endlessly in the shadowed frontier of stellar evolution. This is a story that begins not with spectacle, but with patience, for magnetars have always been